Kathleen Moe.
And I'm Jesse Van Martin.
Our project is improving the manufacturing process at L'Oreal. What is L'Oreal? L'Oreal is a major cosmetic corporation with many subsidiaries you have probably heard of, including Lancôme, Maybelline, Ralph Lauren, Giorgio Armani, as well as others. As a worldwide leader in cosmetics, L'Oreal produces 27 global brands with products that span 130 countries worldwide. Its 5 main areas of expertise are hair care, hair color, skin care, makeup, and fragrances. L'Oreal also incorporates a common marketing tactic known as premiums. Now you may be asking yourself, what is a premium? Well, a premium is also commonly known as a gift with purchase. For example, Lancôme provides a supplementary bundle of cosmetics for purchases amounting to a certain amount. For example, the one that you see up here is for a Lancôme purchase of $35 or more. Some other important parties were LA Enterprises and Beauty Assistants. LA Enterprises is a packaging firm employed by L'Oreal to package their gift with products. Beauty assistants work in department stores such as Macy's to provide you with the appropriate products for you.
The purpose of our project was multifaceted. L'Oreal gave us the challenge of improving the manufacturing process at LA Enterprises, cutting expenses, and making the packaging more convenient for L'Oreal's customers, namely beauty assistants at department stores. L'Oreal gave us the additional task of making the process more sustainable.
The current box design at LA Enterprises is a cardboard box with cardboard dividers, which you can see up on the screen over here. There are 12 sections for products to go into, and once the products are placed inside the box, filler paper is added so that the products are protected during shipping.
The current packaging process all happens on one assembly line. It starts with a cardboard box and a cardboard separator that are folded and inserted. Next, several workers count and place products into bags. The bags are then checked for weight, and then the bags are put in the box. The box is then again checked for weight, and if all goes well, filler paper is added, and the box is taped and shipped. The current packaging process is mostly human labor. On average, 3 boxes are produced per minute, but 5% of these boxes fail weight inspections. This means that in 1 hour, 180 boxes are produced, of which 9 boxes must be disassembled because they failed weight checks.
Because of this, we decided that using machinery would be more beneficial for LA Enterprises. First reason is that machinery is more reliable. "We are only human" is a quote that everyone in this audience has probably already heard. And this quote comes about because people make mistakes. So, how many of you in the audience can count from 1 to 6? That should be everyone. Right, so how many people in this audience think that they'd be able to count from 1 to 6 for 8 hours in a row every day for the rest of your lives without making a single mistake? That's great, because that's what machines are for. Also, machinery produces higher quality products than humans do. Lastly, machines do not require rest. At LA Enterprises, the workers work from 7:30 to 4 in the afternoon with 10-minute breaks in the mornings and afternoons and a half-hour break for lunch. That's about 7 hours and 40 minutes of actual production time. However, machines don't require rest, and that's at least a 200% increase in productivity, which leads to greater efficiency.
So, our first solution that we came up with was to replace the cardboard separators with plastic reusable ones. This idea was inspired by these plastic lipstick tube trays that we saw in use at LA Enterprises. These trays are stackable, and once the packaging facility is done using them, they ship it back to the manufacturers. Our trays would be similar to these trays. They would be made of the same plastic as the trays and would function as both the separator and the filler paper. Here is a 3D model designed in Google SketchUp, a free 3D modeling software. On the far right is the current cardboard box in use. In the middle is a plastic separator prototype, and on the left is a lid for the separator that would protect the products. However, this solution was soon found to be inefficient. Shipping the reusable containers is costly due to the transportation and labor involved. Also, the beauty assistants at Macy's express their problems with having all products in the same box. For example, if there are 6 mascaras and 10 lipsticks in the same box, and the beauty assistants run out of mascaras first, they would have to open an entirely new box just for more mascara. For this reason, the beauty assistants at Macy's would prefer to have each type of product in separate boxes.
During our research, we found that the price of a box depends only on its surface area, which makes sense because its surface area corresponds to how much cardboard was used in the making of the box. We realized that L'Oreal's rectangular box was not as efficient as it could be. We redesigned the box to be a cube with 13 3/4 inch sides, and we increased the total volume of the box by 12%. While the original box held only 48 bags, our proposed box holds 55, which is a 15% increase in carrying capacity. While we want to mechanize the process, we recognize that machines are expensive. With this in mind, we decided to use one machine for multiple products, ones that have a similar shape, such as the products you see on the screen. We also plan on packing only one product per box, which means that we no longer need the cardboard inserts, which will save us time and money. Comparing the two processes, we see that our original line there was one line that used based on human labor, and all 14 products were packaged into one box. With our proposed process, we have 7 different mechanized lines where each product is packaged into its own respective box.
Some of the machinery that LA Enterprises currently use are machines to perform product weight checks, box weight checks, to tape the boxes shut, and conveyor belt and wrapping machines. However, we also propose to use new machinery, such as machinery to label boxes, machinery to organize all the products, machinery to bring all the products together in one area for easy access, machinery to place the products into the boxes, and machinery to perform all weight checks. In total, this is about $51,500, and for 7 machinery lines, that would be a total cost of $360,500.
Although the initial price tag is expensive, L'Oreal should expect to see increased efficiency and lowered error rates such that the machines will pay for themselves. With the new box design, LA Enterprises can be confident they are getting the most out of every box they ship. Finally, L'Oreal can rest assured that none of these cost-cutting methods will sacrifice ease of use for their consumers. In fact, our proposed box design is even more convenient for the beauty assistants than the original box design.
Finally, we'd like to acknowledge and thank some people who made it possible to attend this program and work on this project. First, we have our residential teaching associate, Kristen Stevens, who's sitting over there in the corner. Next, we have our project mentors, Arlene Yard and Adrian Swerdlow, who unfortunately couldn't be here today to see this presentation. We'd also like to thank the GSET counseling staff and Jean-Patrick Antoine and the Dean Eileen Rosen. Also, we'd like to thank the Governor's School Board of Overseers. Finally, we'd like to thank the various sponsors who made it possible to attend this program, including Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey, Morgan Stanley, Lockheed Martin, South Jersey Industries Incorporated, PSENG, and the State of New Jersey. We're sincerely thankful for this incredible opportunity.
Here are some references.
Thank you for your time. Are there any questions?